Today is all about sightseeing. Wow. I'm not proposing to you.
I'm a fancy girl.
Massage on the couch. How to have a free lunch in the bazaar. A Viagra tea? Okay, 5 kilo of this. This one's bigger than your face. Sale.
Doesn't matter, I give it free.
Free. Free here.
$10,000.
Love to make video in Turkey. I am not sure this is the right Turkish coffee. I always want to cut my own kebab. Seagulls a little aggressive. They try to land on your head. Very surreal inside. This is the best way to relax.
So my favorite food is kumpir.
Yum. Bye. Good morning from Istanbul. Today I am being very lucky. I have a beautiful host from Turkey here.
안녕하세요. 오늘은 이스탄불에 왔어요. 여기 샘추이 있습니다.
나눔 쌈추이입니다. And 나눔 곰돌이입니다. It's like a bear. Today is all about sightseeing here in Turkey.
Let's just start with Turkish breakfast.
Remember that on Turkish airline they have these melted butter and honey? You know, everything I've seen in Turkish airline is just resemble what Turkish breakfast and Turkish tradition is. What is this?
We call it pastırma. And this one kavurma.
Is this meat or?
Yes, meat. They're all meat.
Beef.
Turkish bacon and
Turkish bacon. I'm gonna try one.
Yeah.
Good. Strong flavors.
you smell for 1 week.
Oh, I smell for 1 week after this.
Yeah.
This thing looks very interesting. It looks like a black pickled egg. I'm gonna crack it. Oh dear. What makes you to go to Korea?
A long time ago I visited Korea for travel, and then I met a Korean guy over there and I fall in love with him.
Oh.
And then I decided to move there.
And did it work out?
No, we broke up.
Now, do you have a boyfriend now?
No, I don't have.
Oh.
No, I don't have.
So here you go. Our audience, everyone knows you what to do, right?
Oh, thank you very much.
Alrighty. Sam,
I'm gonna take you to Bazaar. It's a 500 years old bazaar with 4,000 stores. So this is Turkish delight.
Very big. You have this one.
I like this one actually.
Oh,
this is,
let's go this one.
yeah. Cheers.
Wow. Shining like a diamond. I'm not buying you one of those. I'm not proposing to you. Your nails is more shiny than those rings.
Well, these are actually real Swarovski. I'm a fancy girl. So this guy is Nusret. He's Turkish chef. He's a very famous chef. And his nickname is Salt Bey. He massage cows, he cut them with love, and then he spreads salt like.
He's doing massage on the cow.
In Turkish, we call it lokum.
Lokum. Is
That's
this
a
edible?
rose.
Rose.
That's rose, I think. That's dry rose.
I'm scared of anything new. It's great, actually. Which one is your most spicy spice here?
It's Ottoman spices.
Ottoman spice.
Yeah.
Hey, Irem, do you want to have a try?
I don't want to die. No.
Danger, I think. What we're showing you is how to have a free lunch in the bazaar. Crispy coconut skin. Oh, chocolate shaped my mushroom.
Hey Sam, you need this cholesterol tea.
And you need this. This is love tea.
2 kg, please.
This is Viagra tea.
A Viagra tea?
Oh,
Yeah,
Sam, maybe
get
you
it.
need it.
Maybe I need it?
Maybe you need it.
Okay, 5 kilo of this. Hey, Irem, there's so many eyes staring at me.
Yeah, but this is good eye. This is like, we call it nazar boncuğu in Turkish. In English, it's the evil eye, but it actually protects you from the bad energy. And Turkish people love this. We use it everywhere, on the walls, on clothes, and anywhere.
This one's bigger than your face.
It is.
Imagine this eye lady, evil eye lady. Let me buy one of these. Let me buy this and this. Can you give a discount, please? Discount. This is the thing. When you come here, make sure you bargain. They're giving me 50% sale. The 50% is by default. You should give 80%. 80% sales.
Doesn't matter, I give it free.
Free. Free here.
Life is not money, don't worry about that.
Whoa!
Oh my god, look at this.
This lady, very dangerous. Don't come to the shop with this lady. This one here.
is
Wow, look at that.
right?
Yeah, I was thinking,
Yeah.
looking at that one. Wow.
Our tastes are similar, huh? $10,000.
They're very friendly in Turkey. They like you to try everything before you buy, right? Wait. Do you want a sugar daddy?
From now on, yes, I want.
Oh, you're taking sugar daddy. Guys, apply. The best carpet, when you laugh at yourself, the best carpet in the world. Let's have a look. Oh my god, smooth. You have to do a back rub around.
I love it.
Oh, you're trying to sell us carpets here.
你好吗？
好好好好好好。
我很好。
我很好。
你需要吗？地毯？地
哦
毯是
我不要地毯。
찬스 쇼군자.
안녕하세요.
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 감사합니다.
감사합니다.
나는 제주도 갑니다.
Oh.
He said 나는 like he is from Jeju.
Yeah, I'm going to Jeju, he said.
He knows Jeju.
Yeah. 그러면 언제 가요?
Oh, you go to Jeju 2 months later.
He was serious. I thought he's joking.
Yeah. Oh, you have friends in Jeju, Turkish friend.
No, Korean.
You have a Korean girlfriend in Jeju.
Yeah.
He's going to Jeju to meet up some fancy girls. This one.
600 euros. ¿Y puedes? La compra. Sí.
You know, the bazaar here is like a maze. You know, I totally got lost because there's so many alleyways inside the bazaar. So you gotta be very careful when you walk. Remember the way you came in. You probably would never came back the same way you came in. What do you have? Turkish coffee?
Evet. Çek. Babayı da çek, bunu da çek lan.
They're all like, shoot me, shoot.
This is great. Come to Turkey to make a vlog. Look at everybody love to make video in Turkey. This is great. Charcoal. Made by charcoal. Yes. Wow, very good. This is the famous way to make Turkish coffee, like charcoal. So we're actually gonna try to make our own Turkish coffee and invite Turkish people to taste it, see how close we are.
This much coffee inside. 1 cup water.
I like to have sweet coffee. Yeah.
Yeah, so you can add 1.
I would stir.
Oh, this is hard.
Imagine the people making coffee on the fire every day, every minute. Well, how long are we gonna leave it?
Right before it boils, you should
take it out. Irem, I think you did something wrong. This is the stirrer, not this one. Now I'm gonna try the coffee made by Irem. Oh, it smells very nice with aroma. I am not sure this is the right Turkish coffee. That powder is still inside. Like, I think it's supposed to have a powder? Oh, okay. I'm just trying to be super critical and try to disqualify you. The powder was on top, and now, after you sip the powder, now it's all the coffee inside. Very strong, but tastes very nice.
çeviremiyorum onu. Anne çek.
You know, I think it's pretty fascinating, the old souk here. You can see houses looks like 1,000 years old, you know, with a stone brick. And then here, this one looks like just had a fire. Turkish ice cream here. Do you think I can catch it?
Yeah.
I think so, yeah.
No, you cannot.
Hi.
Hi. Hey, nice to
Nice
meet
to
you.
meet you too.
Oh, oh.
Oh, really?
Oh my god. Oh,
It never ends.
oh my god. I'm scared.
Oh shit! What the?
How about my ice cream? Come on. Final? Thank you. Thank you so much. After all the work, finally earned my ice cream here. Oh my gosh, I always want to cut my own kebab. Be careful, okay. Whoa, this oil coming. Oh, this is very hard. Whoa. Oh yeah. Oh, very nice.
Very good, very nice, delicious.
Oh, very nice. A little bit oily, but very tasty.
This is the European side.
This is the Asian side. You can have both at Istanbul. Alright, we're gonna go on the ferry on the Bosphorus Strait. Just check out both Europe and Asia side of Istanbul.
Istanbul, you can take a trip from Europe to Asia.
How much was the ferry cost?
It's only 3 liras.
3 lira, good price.
Yeah.
That was the welcome from the sea.
I got like, yeah. So Sam, this is the Maiden Tower. Like I told you before, it's in the middle of the sea.
Yeah, I can see there's boats going there, right? All surrounded by sea. Very pretty.
Yeah, you can also go there and then go top of it.
Oh, can go on top. Okay, let's do it then.
Yeah. So another legend says Battal Gazi and King's daughter fell in love with each other. But King wanted to protect his daughter, so he built up this tower in the middle of the sea. But Battal Gazi could rescue his lover, so they ran away from the tower.
We finally got up here, and then watch out the seagull here. The seagull is a little aggressive. They try to land on your head. On a Turkish mini bus. I'm the king here. I'm sitting right at the front seat here. Going to a traditional Hamam house to have a beautiful Hamam and massage in this historical district. So the Hamam I'm going is in between the two historical landscapes in Istanbul. Behind me is the Hagia Sophia, and then in front of me is Sultanahmet Mosque. Hey, I have a reservation. Very surreal inside.
I'm enjoying my Turkish Hamam, authentic Turkish Hamam in Istanbul. All the dirt's coming out of my arms. This is incredible. This is so nice. This is very nice. After a long day, so this is the best way to relax. He's actually giving me a massage or putting these little beautiful forms on me. It's very surreal actually. Oh, he's giving me a massage. Massage, very nice, very strong.
How was it, Mr. Sam?
Oh, great. Guys, you must have Turkish Hamam one time every day. Come here.
Sam, let's gonna have some dinner. I'm gonna take you my favorite food place in Istanbul.
Let's go!
So my favorite food is kumpir, which is a potato food. It's actually fast food, but it's so delicious. I love it. So they are football teams, Turkish football teams. It's Beşiktaş, it's Fenerbahçe here, and it's Galatasaray, right?
Hey! Your favorite?
I'm gonna choose my favorite team, Fenerbahçe.
This is your favorite?
Yeah, this is my favorite. There's actually more better places. I'm gonna take you there.
Oh, this is a good place. Let's see.
So these are salad types, and it's a buffet. You can add how much you want.
It's a buffet, toppings
buffet.
here.
Yeah.
Okay.
So I start with Russian salad.
Russian salad.
Yeah, this one. And some corn.
Corn.
And beans. And black olives. And some yogurt sauce. That's it. I wanna dance. I'm getting excited.
Let's do a dance.
You and I have similar taste.
Yum. Very yum. The potato is warm and the salad is cold, and you can mix it up to eat with the sauces. So Irem's recommendation was good.
So you see these people are having their kumpir behind me. I used to do the same. I used to get my big potato and come here and sit, watch the sea, and enjoy my potato. And then follow me. I will take you to seaside. And you can see Asia from here. Now we are in Europe and there is Asia. I love Istanbul. Asia, I hope you enjoy Turkey. I know you're flying out.
I know I had such a short stay, but nothing is more beautiful than what I've seen here. The people, the food, everything is super. And I really hope to come back here again.
Thank you so much. I hope to see you here.
Thanks for being my guide for the day. Bye.
You're welcome. Bye.